Alam mo ba na meron ngayong bagong features on Canva na super very helpful in terms of presentation? I actually discovered that last week when I was preparing my presentation and super very helpful siya. I saw that meron na silang disable function doon sa presentation na pwede mo na siyang ma-present offline. Dati kasi ang Canva is online presentation lang. Kapag wala kang internet, hindi ka makakapag-present. Pero ngayon, napakaganda yung feature na yun kasi magagamit mo siya anytime, anywhere, kahit walang internet, magagamit mo yung Canva presentation. So let's check this out kung paano siya gawin. So it's actually very simple to use the offline presentation of Canva. So first is you need to log into your Canva account. So here, nakalagin ako sa aking Canva account. And then, you need to find your presentation. Make sure na you used presentation like this one. Ito yung ginamit ko last week when I prepared my presentation. And what you need to do is to click this three dots. And then, on the lower part, this enable offline presenting. So, you need to click that one. And then, okay na. Please note that embedded media such as YouTube videos will not work without the internet connection. So, if ever may meron ka mga naka-embed na mga YouTube videos here sa presentation, once you disable it as offline presentation, so hindi siya gagana kasi wala siyang internet connection. But the presentation itself will work pa rin without internet connection. So, mas better na wag na mag-embed ng mga videos from YouTube when you're enabling the offline presentation. So, let's try if this works. So, na-enable ko na yung offline presentation. So, it shows here present offline. Nakalagay na siya dyan. And then, let's see if pag tinanggal natin yung Wi-Fi connection. Disable, turn off, and then I'll reload this one. Okay, as you can see, wala na akong internet connection, di ba? So, here. So, ito na yung Canva dashboard ko. And you can see here at the upper part, it's offline. So, wala na akong internet connection. And you can see the offline presentations that I have enabled. Once I click on it, yeah, you can still present it. You can use that presentation. Yeah. And that's it. Super easy lang, di ba? Now, you can now present even without internet connection using Canva presentation. So if you find this video helpful, share it with a friend so they can use Canva using offline also. If you want more tips like this, subscribe to my channel and let's grow together. Bye!